This is our Forex blog for December 9th, 2016. It's been a while since I've done my last Forex blog, just working on improving the trading system. We're not really spending any money marketing our website and our software, so I didn't see the use of wasting 40-50 minutes of my time every weekend doing a blog video. But I might do one every month or two, and I'll show the stats going back a few weeks so you can see. So that being said, I'm going to start by showing some of the stats, and then I'll show some of the trades. Lots and lots of improvements in the last few weeks. I also released a new version today, which has probably about 800 to 1,000 changes and additions from the last release. So here's Friday, and I'll just go through the net 612 pips on Friday. The losers averaged 6.6 pips. The wins 23, so almost 4 times bigger wins than losses. And keep in mind, these stats are the exact same as I've done for the last 2 years. I will fix some trades each day. I will add some new patterns each day. Then I keep the stats at the end of the day. Otherwise, I'd have to keep multiple sets of stats, and I feel like it's a total waste of my time, so I don't do that. Here's Thursday. 469 pips, a lot more losers. I fixed some of them, obviously, that would have shown up in real time. And these are ones that have performed well in the past, so I've let them be. I keep stats on every single of the almost 5,000 patterns we have. And you can see the wins are significantly more than the losses. Let me sort this real quick from profitable to least profitable. This particular day, 320 pips net. The losses are only 6, and the wins are 15. So 2.5 times bigger wins than losses. I created a new worksheet. Let's go back to the last one. The previous day, 396 pips, 5 pip average loss, 17 pip average win. And I'll just showcase some of the other days, not going through the stats. This is the previous week. 557 pips. A lot of trades this day. 531 pips. A lot of losing trades that day. 426 pips. But as long as there's a couple good 30 to 50 pip wins, tons of trades this day. 77 trades, 584 net pips. Just going back a few weeks, 284 pips that day. A few trades that day, 565. 321 and 210 that day. And I'll just scroll through it without doing the sums. You can see that day there's some big wins, so that was definitely a positive day. This day might have been negative because there was a lot more losers. Only 100 pips. Lots of losers. And again, it was a few weeks ago. Some of these patterns may have been fixed since then, so wouldn't have shown up as a loss in the future on that particular day. The way they're coded now, some of these trades might not have shown up that day. Let's say I fixed 3 of the bottom trades. You get rid of those, and it's 133 pips versus only 100. So now I'll just showcase some of the trades from the day. The euro dollar went short right here, had a small loss, went long earlier in the day, had a really nice win. I'll scroll back 2 days so you can see. So we had a big win, small loss, break even. Here's the euro yen. Big win, small win. Previous day, loss, win. Pretty much break even. Win, huge win, break even. Win, break even. Pound yen on Friday, small win right there. Loss, big win. Small win, small win, small win. Small win, small win. And what's nice about the system is it frequently avoids trades when the market's just looks like a bunch of noise. There's a lot of filters in there that weed out non-trending, or they don't do counter trend trades during chop like that. Here's a case where it had a loss, flipped, and immediately got the loss back plus some. Pound, small win right there. Small win, loss. And again, the trend was, you know, it kind of looked like the upwards trend was over. It made a new low, or looked to sell, expecting the trend to continue, and you're going to always lose when trends change direction, or frequently you will lose, I should say. There's a few other ones. New Zealand yen, big win, small loss. Previous small break even, loss, small win. And once you go back more than 1 or 2 days, the results may or may not have been that way during that day because the stats change. Here's a small win, huge win. Previous day, one trade in this particular currency, and that's it. Again, I released a new version today. I think you'll be very happy. It's 5.084. Bring up the software and automatically update. Small win, big win, big win. You know, there are some counter trend trades in our system as well that do a pretty good job. This counter trend trade here obviously was a little bit early. We lost, but you made it back on the next trade. And really, that's what I shoot for. So try to have a mixture of trend and counter trend trades. You can see the dollar yen did really well that day. Win, 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 huge win, huge win. Dollar Swiss did pretty good too. Big win, big win. You wouldn't have taken this trade at the end of the day. Obviously, you don't want to hold trades over the weekend. But anyway, that's it for this week's Forex blog, and I'll probably do another one in a few weeks, maybe a month, because I'd rather spend time improving the system.